everyone, my name's Ashley Schlepper. This is Chris McDonald, and we are here in this beautiful townhome in EagleVail at 33 Pheasant Court, and we're going to take a walk through it.
This is a new listing brought to you by Kim Reese, who has been kind enough to let us into this new duplex. You're going to love this 4-bedroom, and I want to invite you to the community of EagleVail and come discover it with us. Come on along.
And then over here, we've got this great half bath on the main level. And Chris, what do you have upstairs?
You're going to love this home. It has fresh carpet, high ceilings, spacious bedrooms, and an open floor plan for your family to enjoy.
Chris, come check out this backyard.
Thanks again for tuning in. Chris McDonald with Ashley Schlepper, Coldwell Banker Distinctive Properties.
And if you'd like to take a look at this beautiful townhome, please give us a call at 970-476-2113.
Thank you.
Thanks.